So, you're interested in becoming a hubby? This video will show you the process you can undertake to see if this is the right fit for you and the family. Founded in Australia in 1996, Hire a Hubby grew rapidly and has now expanded to the UK, where we are recruiting new franchisees up and down the country. So please, sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Hi there, my name's Brendan Green. Welcome to the Hire a Hubby franchise presentation. It's hard to believe that Hire a Hubby started all the way back in 1996. Over that time, the business has expanded into every state and territory, including regional Australia. This growth has been fueled by an ever-increasing demand for our services as property owners continue to outsource their repairs, maintenance and renovation projects. Our franchisees come from all walks of life, from police officers through to printers, factory workers to bankers, tradesmen, office workers and everyone in between. The one common thing they all share is a love of DIY. So if you've been doing handyman work for friends, relatives and neighbours, then perhaps you could become the next hubby in your local area.
Hi there, I'm Warren and I'm just one of the growing family of hubbies all around the UK. I'm here today along with a few other hubbies to help you decide if becoming a hubby is right for you. Just like you, I had plenty of questions before I made my choice.
We sit down face to face with our new recruits to discuss the opportunity and see if becoming a hubby is right for you. We'll also be looking to ensure that you are the right person for our business. A love of DIY, the right attitude and having the correct hand skills are a key part of this. Whilst thorough, our approach is open. We present candid information to ensure your decision-making process is an informed one. To be a part of Hire a Hubby, we are looking for a motivation of wanting to run your own business, which in turn will also give you long-term security for you and your family.
Once you've had a chat with the guys in the office, there's a fantastic opportunity to go out on the road for a day with one of our hubbies and learn firsthand what it's like to run your own franchise. This is a brilliant opportunity to learn how our guys run their business, and it definitely helped me to be a successful hubby. Now we're going to see Craig, a new hubby, with Jim, an experienced Hire a Hubby franchisee.
Today, Craig is out on the job with Jim, a Hire a Hubby franchisee. Craig and Jim have arrived 5 minutes early to their first meeting. Prior to arrival, they looked at all the key information to ensure they were prepared to give the client, Elena, the quote. After a brief consultation, Jim has all the information they need to produce the quote. Throughout the day, Craig and Jim visit multiple customers to scope out a range of work. Just another day in the life of a busy hubby.
Once you decide to become a hubby, you go through a 2-week comprehensive training course where you'll learn all sorts of handyman skills and business practices. Let's catch up with Craig at the training centre.
At the training centre, you will learn all aspects of being a hubby franchisee, including marketing, sales, and plenty of time on quotes. We also show you all our processes and systems, developed over many years, to enable you to grow a successful business from day one. You'll be shown in depth the Hire a Hubby admin software, making your own admin a lot more efficient and stress-free. When you get into your training, any prior nerves will transform into excitement. At the end of the 2 weeks, you'll leave feeling confident and ready to start your new business.
Once you've completed your training, you'll have a solid footing in your new life as a hubby, but the support doesn't end there. Let's see how Craig's doing and the kind of assistance he's getting out in the field.
Once you start your business, our field support manager will work with you to check on how you're doing. This involves our team being out on the road, providing regular support visits to look after our new hubbies. If there is a job you haven't done before, we'll give hands-on support. Most of the time you'll also be paired with a current hubby who can help you through the process from start to finish.
So what made me want to start my own business is the fact, ultimately, that I wanted to be my own boss. It gives you full flexibility.
To have the support if I needed it from the office, and also from colleagues that I could call on for any advice.
Such a brilliant business. I've never had a day I've doubted it.
The support that I receive from Hire a Hubby head office is fantastic. You know, they're always there on hand when I call, whether it be support on the marketing side or on the administrative side.
It's my own business, but I belong to an organisation and I've got a support network behind me.
The IT system that Hire a Hubby has is second to none. It's very easy to use. We go through an intensive training course to show how to use it. It was a big decision that was made by both myself and my partner. It's been a very positive change and I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
As the business is getting stronger, it makes me stronger. I'm now operating in my 3rd year. I now have 3 vans on the road. The business is booming.
6 months down the line, the business is going extremely well, and I have the great pleasure of saying that I'm in a position to take someone else on board. So over the last few weeks, I have been interviewing some people, and I have now accepted someone on a part-time basis.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this presentation. Hopefully you can see how easy it is to explore becoming a hubby. We're confident that by following the systems we've built over many years of franchising, through tools such as HR support services, Hubby Admin and Hubby Connect, as well as our business benchmark reviews, you'll be able to take your business to the heights you wish to achieve for you and your family. If you like what you've seen, I encourage you to write a list of questions and come on into your local office for a chat. And who knows, you might just be the next Hire a Hubby franchisee in your local area. Good luck.